Welcome to Irregular Plurals, Part 4. In this lesson, we will explore some special nouns in English that do not follow the standard rules for making plurals. Most English nouns simply add s or es to become plural, but some nouns are different. These are called irregular plurals, and they are important to learn because they are used frequently in everyday English. Let's start with the word person. The singular form is person, meaning one individual. The plural form is people, meaning more than one individual. Notice that people is completely different from person. It is not personess, we simply say people to talk about multiple individuals. This is one of the most common irregular plurals in English. Here are some examples of how to use person and people in sentences. First example, that person is kind. This uses the singular form person for one individual. Second example, those people are kind. This uses the plural form people for multiple individuals. Third example, I met many people at the event. Again, we use people when talking about more than one person. Remember, we never say persons in modern English. We always use people for the plural. Now let's learn about the word ox. The singular form is ox, which is a large farm animal used for work. The plural form is oxen. Oxen is an ancient English plural form that uses the ending en. This ending was common in Old English for making plurals, and it still remains in a few words. Ox to oxen is another important irregular plural to remember. Here are examples of how to use ox and oxen in sentences. First example, the farmer has one ox. This uses the singular form ox for a single animal. Second example, the farmer has several oxen. This uses the plural form oxen for multiple animals. Third example, strong oxen pulled the cart. Here we see oxen being used in context. Although these words are not as common today, they appear in historical texts and farming contexts. English has many more irregular plurals beyond person and ox. Here are three more important examples. Child becomes children in the plural form. Tooth becomes teeth. Foot becomes feet. These are all very common irregular plurals that you will encounter regularly. Each one has a completely different form in the plural, so they must be memorized individually. Let's practice what we have learned. If I say one person, many blank, the answer is people. If I say one ox, many blank, the answer is oxen. If I say one child, many blank, the answer is children. If I say one tooth, many blank, the answer is teeth. Try to remember these forms. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Here are the main points to remember. Person becomes people. This is a completely different word form. Ox becomes oxen. This uses an ancient English plural ending. Irregular plurals do not follow the standard s or es rules. Instead, each one has its own unique plural form. You must memorize these common irregular forms through practice and repeated use in speaking and writing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.